Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe.
Baby, can you pray tonight?
The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes in 4 different colors: space black, gold, silver, and deep purple, which is the color we have with us here today. This new purple color looks great, and the color almost seems to change in different lights. In the box, you get your standard USB-C to Lightning cable, the documentation with a SIM tool and an Apple sticker, and, of course, no power adapter. The new iPhone 14 Pro lineup comes with a plethora of new features over the previous 13 Pro lineup. First of all, thanks to a new LTPO display which can go down to 1 Hz, we have the always-on display which dims the screen while still showing your full wallpaper with very similar colors and tones. It does hide some icons such as the torch and camera buttons on the home screen and the connectivity and battery indicators along the top of the display. I think this feature is great as it allows you to always see the time and date on your iPhone when it is sitting on the table. You also now get the new Cutout, which replaces the notch, and Apple is calling it the dynamic island. This works really great as the Cutout now seems to interact with what you are doing. When you are doing a task such as screen recording, playing music or setting a timer, the Cutout will dynamically change to display your information. There are also some great upgrades when it comes to the camera system with the new 48 megapixel sensor, as well as new video stabilization, better low light performance, and a new action mode. Some of the other great features include crash detection, which sends out an SOS if you don't respond to a prompt during a crash, and satellite connectivity, which allows you to send for help when there is no cellular service. Overall, I think the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a great phone. However, with so few features over the previous generation, upgrading is probably only worth it if you want the latest and greatest from Apple.